All right. Good morning, everybody. Once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2010. Got beat up a little bit yesterday, closing account at 3,014.75. We went aggressive during our trading day, and then at the end of the day, I was showing the last part of the day losing the most of the money after that first trade. We lost $100 on our first trade. Then I decided that we would get really aggressive with our trading and kind of show how being super aggressive can be detrimental to your account. So we proved that point. It was a good exercise in being conservative for the last just about 3 months, pulling some good, just kind of staying on the edge of and keep on building the account. Now we want to get a little bit more aggressive. I call it being conservatively aggressive. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. We're looking at multiple market trading now. We're adding back in the 30-year bond, the euro market, gold, crude oil, corn, soybeans, the E-mini S&P, YM. There's 8 markets, and we can mix and match them if we see other markets that we want to trade. Now, along those lines, we got the Forex Factory today, and what's coming up today? We have new home sales. We have new home sales at 10 a.m. Crude oil inventories at 10:30 a.m. We have an FOMC member speaking at 10:45. That's about all I see in the Forex Factory right now. So let's see what we can find to trade. We've moved back out to 5-minute bars across the board right now to help us with our trading decisions. So we're looking at 5-minute bars across the board. Talk to you in a little bit. All right, well, if you got a trailer here, obviously hold on for the ride. If you got a trailer, hold on for the ride here. We're out at 30 ticks here. Now, was that fun or what, huh? No market entries. If you missed it, you missed it, John. Don't chase it. The trade was down here. I called it 80.45, 80.50. I mean, you know that I'm looking at trying to get in at 5 ticks above the open and crude oil. Well, I told you I'll make this money back. I'm not really concerned with I never really concern myself with my account balance. I just trade and I let statistics take care of themselves. I mean, that's people get frustrated and they get flustered, and I get flustered too occasionally and frustrated. That was just a beautiful setup there, just a gorgeous spike bar. I mean, I couldn't have drawn it any better. If you're trailing one, I would recommend 80.70 hard stop right now. 80.70 hard stop. Getting out here and getting $500 on 2 or $400 on 2, there's nothing wrong with that. That's a win. Occasionally you get those really nice quick poppers that never look back. But, you got to be smart as a trader too. You got to take what the market's giving you. Now this is more in line of the type of trading that I did last year, guys. Except I was trading multiple markets. May. But in 30 to 90 days of trading one contract, if you got more money, I would get comfortable with trading the market. If you've never traded crude oil before, it's a fun market. Oh, I love it. Crude is just so much fun to trade. But sometimes like today, it doesn't you don't even have to think. You just move your stop and let it do its thing. I mean, that's just glorious. It's just beautiful. It's the kind of markets that's how the ES, by the way, used to run back in 2000, 7 in 2008. That ES would like move 3-4 points in a matter of seconds, meaning that it would go from like 1168 to 1169 and so forth. A lot of times it would just skip over ticks. It would skip over the quarter ticks. Oh, then it comes down to Pam getting adjusted to how I traded at that point then, correct? So then I would recommend 30 days. All right, it's Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. We started our upward progression of our trades today. I was able to catch a ZV trade early for 1 tick early this morning. In addition to that, I was able to catch this crude oil trade in the room. Our enter point was 80.5 when we took off one contract at 80.80. And that's $300 less a $6 commission cost here. Nice win here off the crude oil inventory report. So just like I said, we'll make that money back quickly with the addition of the other markets. We look to move back up to hopefully get to close at, hopefully get back up over our trading mark where we were before the month end, and to continue to move this account up here. Our overall goal at this point with multiple market trading is to be able to, as I like to say, try to be conservatively aggressive, and hopefully that'll have a little bit more explanation as we move forward. I appreciate y'all being in the room. Thanks for being here. We'll see y'all tomorrow being Thursday, March 25th, coming to the end of the month here. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye now. Be safe.